If you have a Cybertruck and an automatic garage door opener, you are definitely going to want this. And in this video, I'm going to tell you what this is and why you need it. Now, if you don't already know, the Cybertruck does not come with the HomeLink module, which most Teslas have, and this allows your truck to automatically open and close your garage door as you come and go from your home. So that only leaves you a few options. You can use your remote, but then you have to try to find somewhere in your truck to put it. And I particularly don't like to reach over in front of my head to use the remote control. And in my truck, I actually have these little covers that go over the top part of my window, and I have to flip my visor the opposite way, so it's not optimal for me to use my remote controls. And the second option, which I think is the worst, is you can pay for a subscription to use the MyQ app to allow your truck to open your garage door wirelessly. But the problem with that is your garage door opener has to have Wi-Fi capability to work. Or you have a third option, and that's to get this. This is the Tesla CyberLink. It's actually a remote control for your garage door made by a company on Etsy. And the coolest thing about this is it perfectly fits inside of a little hole in your steering wheel, so you no longer have to find a place to put your remote control in your truck or even take your hands off the steering wheel when you're trying to open up your garage door. And it's super simple to set up. All you need to do is take the sleeve off, take the door off, press a couple buttons, put everything back together, and it's ready to open and close your garage door. And it's super easy to install. All you need to do is take the front piece here and just push it through the center hole. You will hear a little click, just like that. Then you're going to take the bottom piece, making sure the flat part up here is going towards the bottom of your steering wheel, and just kind of press this into the back of this. Push it forward, you'll hear a click, and then just kind of push the little rubber piece forward so it fits snugly against your steering wheel and does not move. And that's pretty much it. So now you have both these buttons here to open up your garage doors. And again, you never have to take your hand off the steering wheel to open up your garage doors again. You can also see that underneath here, there's plenty of clearance, so my knees are never going to hit the bottom of the steering wheel. Now, I've gotten to use the CyberLink for the past week, and I really have to say that I'm very pleased with it. It works really well. The buttons on here work every single time that I press them. I'll press this to close my garage door on the back here. You can see that it is now closing the garage door. It just works every single time. And also something else that I've noticed is that this actually has some really good range on it. I can open my garage door from around the block, and by the time I get to my house, the garage door is open for me, so I can just kind of pull in. Aesthetically, it also looks beautiful with the Cybertruck steering wheel. Maybe if there was a way to get a little less texturing, kind of like the leather on the horn, that would be great. Also, the battery life. I talked to the person that made this, and they stated that the battery should last about 2 to 3 years before you have to actually replace it. Of course, I can't verify that because that would be a super long review, but I can keep you guys posted in the video description. It's out of the way. You don't have to fiddle with your garage door opener anymore. I will never go back to a regular garage door opener after using this, and I'm sure you guys will think the same. Now, I'm not being paid at all by CyberLink, and I don't make any money if you guys use the link to purchase this. I just simply wanted to get the word out in case you guys wanted to pick one up yourself, and I will be putting a link in the video description. But I'm really curious to know what you guys think about this. Are you as excited as I was when I first saw this? Let me know in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed the video and you want to help support my channel, please let me know by hitting the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.